Guys, I know I haven't been uploading. I pulled a Corey Kenshin. I know. But I'm back with some amazing PUBG, so you get to watch that instead. I'm gonna be uploading some Sonic Forces speed battle and some Ocean Horn as a treat, man, for me being gone for so long. This is gonna be a frying pan only game, unless I feel like changing it up in the middle of the game. It's like my first time playing PUBG, so I'm just gonna go. Guys, did you know that Big Shaq went to the sun to prove that man's not hot? That song was trash anyway. I know I can find items in buildings. I played this game before. It's called Fortnite. Jeez. JK is not Fortnite. Now, where the armor at? So, I'm not gonna be a pro. Okay? I'm not a pro at this game. I'm not a pro at any game. Except for one game. And then a Sonic Forces speed battle. I am the best at that game. So where is a care? Oh, speaking of car. It's time to run over some peeps. It's time to run over some pepperonis. It's time. Then I get in the car. I want in the car. How do I get in the car? How do I get in the car? Guys, can you teach me how to get in the car? Why? I'm not getting this car. Okay, I'll go to that car then. Woo! This is fun. Someone here? It's buggy. Okay. for you. This is so fun, man. Mm. Mm-mm. 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 I'm gonna put some music over this. Epic music coming right up. I don't know how to tell where the play zone is, so I'm just gonna go this way. Just gonna drive. 88 people alive. Holy crap baskets. Nearly hit that rock. Glad you can actually drive in this game. It's not as laggy as it was with the pan. What is red zone? I'm a nub at this game. I probably should have researched the game before I played it. Oh. So you're not supposed to run into trees. I thought you were supposed to run into trees. Ow. Oh crap. So you're not supposed to drive underwater? I haven't seen anyone yet. Where is this guy? Is this guy driving or something? Oh, right there. Oh, easy. What was that? Huh? I'm in the middle of recording the video, man. I'm kind of in the middle of recording a PUBG video. Hopefully my 17 subscribers tell me what to do, because I'm a nub. Where's another car? I'm bored. Where is another car? I need another car. Am I supposed to go into the red zone or something? Where am I supposed to go? What do I do? I'm still spectating in Fortnite, and someone has a sniper, okay. Mm-mm. 70 people left. Someone over here. Yeah, I don't feel like fighting them. So I'm just gonna be a camper in this game as well. What? No. What? What do you mean don't record the video? I'm recording a mobile video, man. What? Okay, I'm selling I wants to play Fortnite, okay? Boy, I'm gonna probably lose this game, bye.